Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for Indian mythology GQ quiz. So get ready to learn, play and explore the fascinating world of Indian mythology. So without any delay, let's start with our first question. Question number 1. Where did Lord Rama first meet Mata Sita? Option A, Ayodhya. Option B, Lanka. Option C, Mithila. Option D, Hastinapur. Correct answer is option C, Mithila. Question 2. Which Vamsha did Lord Rama belong to? Option A, Chandra Vamsha. Option B, Surya Vamsha. Option C, Harivamsha. Option D, Sagara Vamsha. Right answer is option B, Surya Vamsha. Question number 3. What did Lord Rama lift and break to win Sita in marriage? Option A, Rock of Vayu. Option B, Bow of Shiva. Option C, Mountain of Mithila. Option D, Trishul of Shiva. Correct answer is option B, Bow of Shiva. Question number 4. Which yagna did King Dasharatha perform to beget children? Option A, Ashwamedha. Option B, Ganapati Homam. Option C, Putrakameshti Yaga. Option D, Shiva Mahapuja. Correct answer is option C, Putrakameshti Yaga. Question 5. Who was the first demon that Lord Rama killed? Option A, Ravana. Option B, Indrajit. Option C, Kumbhakarna. Option D, Tataka. Right answer is option D, Tataka. If you enjoy testing your knowledge and want more exciting Indian mythology GK quizzes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also tell us in the comment which mythology topic you want next. We would love to create quizzes for you. So let's continue with our next question. With which arrow did Lord Rama kill Ravana? Option A, Pashupatastra. Option B, Nagastra. Option C, Vajrastra. Option D, Brahmastra. Correct answer is option D, Brahmastra. Question number 7. Who is the guru of Lord Rama? Option A, Vasishtha. Option B, Valmiki. Option C, Vishwamitra. Option D, Parashurama. Correct answer is option A, Vasishtha. So here is the last question. What is the nakshatra in which Sri Ramachandra was born? Option A, Revati. Option B, Rohini. Option C, Uttara Falguni. Option D, Punarvasu. So the right answer is option D, Punarvasu.